Are you wondering how to add Google Ads to Housecall Pro? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to seamlessly integrate Google Ads with Housecall Pro and why this powerful combination can supercharge your business growth. Housecall Pro is an amazing software that streamlines your service business operations, from scheduling to invoicing and customer management. But when you bring Google Ads into the mix, you unlock the full potential of marketing and customer acquisition. Let's dive into how you can set this up step by step and how it can benefit your business. First, before we get into the setup, it's important to understand why combining Google Ads with Housecall Pro is such a game changer. Google Ads is one of the most effective ways to reach potential customers actively searching for services you offer, and Housecall Pro provides the tools to help you manage those customers efficiently. Integrating them allows you to not only bring in new business, but also manage and nurture those leads effortlessly. Now let's talk about the process. Start by logging into your Housecall Pro account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, you can try it for free using the exclusive link in the description below, which gives you a bonus to get started. Once you're logged in, head to the settings page, and under the marketing section, you'll find the option to integrate your Google Ads account. You'll need to connect your Google Ads account to Housecall Pro, and to do that, you must ensure your Google Ads account is set up properly. If you haven't already set up a Google Ads account, just go to Google Ads, create one, and get your campaigns running. You don't need to worry about being a Google Ads expert. The integration is fairly simple, and Housecall Pro will guide you through each step. Once connected, Housecall Pro will allow you to track leads from Google Ads directly in your software. This is crucial because it helps you understand the ROI of your ads, keeping track of who clicked on your ad and turned into a customer. You'll also have easy access to metrics like call tracking and lead generation, giving you data-driven insights to improve your campaigns. A key feature that comes with this integration is the ability to automate follow-ups with leads that come in through Google Ads. For example, when someone contacts you through a Google ad, Housecall Pro can send automated messages or reminders, ensuring you never miss out on an opportunity to convert a lead into a customer. This automation saves you time and boosts efficiency. One of the coolest features here is the seamless syncing of appointments. Google Ads can drive traffic to your website, and Housecall Pro ensures that any leads from these ads can easily schedule appointments. By connecting Google Ads to your scheduling system, you're making it even easier for customers to book with you, improving conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Another reason to use Google Ads with Housecall Pro is the ability to optimize your ad spend. Housecall Pro's reporting tools will help you measure the performance of your campaigns, so you can adjust and allocate your budget more effectively. You'll know exactly where to focus your resources to get the best return. Now, to wrap things up, I want to mention that Housecall Pro makes managing all of this incredibly easy. Even if you're new to digital marketing or Google Ads, the platform is designed to guide you through everything without feeling overwhelmed. And if you haven't tried Housecall Pro yet, remember you can use it completely for free with the link in the description below, plus access exclusive bonuses to get started. The key takeaway here is that by adding Google Ads to Housecall Pro, you're not just attracting new leads, you're transforming how you manage them too. You're improving efficiency, tracking ROI, and making your marketing efforts smarter. With that said, if you want to make the most of your business's marketing, this integration is a must. Make sure to check out the link for your exclusive free trial and bonuses, and I hope this helps you grow your business.